Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a very simple and very easy pie chart in Notion. So let's get started. So here we are, and first things first is that we're gonna want to type a slash right here and type mermaid. So it would be slash mermaid right there, and then you want to create click this block right here called code mermaid. Click on that, and from here, don't be alarmed with the code. This is very easy. Even if you have no experience with coding, you can understand it from this video right away. As I have told you, it is very easy and very simple. So the first thing is we're gonna type pie and then title, and then from here name your pie right here. So in my case, I'll just go for sample pie, my sample pie right there, and then I'm gonna proceed with the graph right here. So I'm just gonna go put quotation right here and slice. So this will be the slice number 1 of the pie, and then space after that, then put a colon right there, or semicolon right here, and we can go for 250 just for an example. And then the next one is slice 2 right here, and then same thing, and then different value depending on what you want. In my case, I'll just want 50, and then you can see the graph right here, and you can add as many slices as you want. So let's say slice 3, and right here let's do it again, 3, just like so, and basically the same methods. And then this one is 150, and then you can see the graphs right here. And by the way, if you would want to only view the pie right here without seeing the code, then you can click here, and then from here you can click on preview, and then you would only have the pie right here. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.